Lately, the cryptocurrency market, especially around Ethereum, has shown some truly unusual movements. It's so hot, you might wonder, is this genuine mania? Well, it's not just any mania. Rumors no, facts are circulating that Wall Street's biggest players are quietly, or rather, openly going all in on one particular asset, Ethereum. Today, we'll dive deep into why Ethereum has become Wall Street's top pick and what we need to watch out for in this scorching market. Let's go. First off, the fuse for this craze was lit by legislation. Folks, for the first time in US history, a cryptocurrency bill has passed. And if that wasn't enough, more bills are lining up, ready to be passed. This is nothing short of an expressway opening announcement for the crypto market, wouldn't you say? Thanks to this, crypto-related stocks have started dancing. Next, who were the first to jump onto this expressway? None other than Wall Street's big hands. First, there's Tom Lee, known as a fortune teller on Wall Street. He's emerged as the chairman of Bitmain's board, a company heavily invested in Ethereum. And then, Peter Thiel, the PayPal co-founder and dubbed a god of investment. He's invested a whopping 9% stake in Bitmain. At this point, we might as well call him an Ethereum superfan. Even Cathie Wood has finally started adding Ethereum ETFs to her portfolio. And the final boss, BlackRock, has even filed an amended application offering a groundbreaking 3 to 5% interest, just for holding their Ethereum ETF. This is practically an invitation saying, institutional investors, come to Ethereum. We'll even pay you interest. Such moves are expected to drive massive capital inflow from institutional investors. Even corporations are starting to move. Some companies are declaring, we are switching our assets to Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. This Collect Ethereum movement is spreading globally. Ethereum, have you truly become the mainstream now? And finally, the inevitable has arrived. Wall Street's giants, major financial institutions like JP Morgan and Bank of America, are considering issuing stablecoins, officially entering the cryptocurrency market. Even the SEC chairman mentioned that all assets will eventually run on the blockchain. At this point, isn't it game over for traditional finance? Coinbase and Robinhood CEOs are hailing the passing of this crypto legislation as the start of a financial revolution. They predict that Fortune 500 companies will adopt stablecoins in the future, which is thrilling to imagine, isn't it? The inclusion of crypto-related companies like Block and Coinbase into the S&P 500 index clearly shows that the crypto market's entry into the mainstream financial system is accelerating. But here's the thing, everyone. When the market gets this hot, mania inevitably follows. Not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but various altcoin-related companies like Solana and Dogecoin are seeing their stock prices skyrocket. Analysis suggests we are now in a true mania phase that goes beyond mere liquidity. As emphasized in the video, while it's good to enjoy this frenetic market, you must always be cautious. Remember that investments should always be made prudently and based on accurate information. The cryptocurrency market is currently moving beyond liquidity into a genuine mania phase, and investor interest is projected to grow even further.